In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete parental controls in Android's Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first need to do is open up the Play Store app on your device. And now once it's open, you want to click onto your account on the top right hand corner. And then you want to look for a setting called, where is it here? Scroll down and then click into settings. And then under settings, look for the family tab, parental control parent guide, click onto that. And then as you can see, parental controls is currently turned on. We want to remove that, so click into it. And then to disable it, you need to know your passcode. So go ahead and disable parental controls, add in your PIN to your phone like so, and then click on OK. And now as you can see, these parental controls have been disabled.